to make some more of those cookies and I'll walk y'all through it because it's very simple and pretty healthy. So here we go. First thing we're going to add is a cup of cottage cheese. All right, next thing we're going in with is 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Y'all know that your maple syrup should be refrigerated. I learned this about 6 months ago after years of using maple syrup. Then we're going to do a dash of vanilla. It's supposed to be a teaspoon. It's about a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. And we're going to blend this all up. This is going to be a wake-up call for the boys because this is loud. I'm going to make sure that you get it really well blended so there's no chunks. We're going to set it up. We're going to call that a day. Right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our coconut oil. We're going to get 2 tablespoons of it, and we're going to melt it, which mine's a little bit melted, and everybody knows why, because my house was freaking 150 degrees yesterday. So there's 1, 2, almond flour and our protein powder. I think I'm done with this. Let's move it out of our way. It's huge. A cup of almond flour. Now, protein powder. This is some protein powder. Sister gave it to me. She hated it. She gave it to me. I absolutely hate it. I cannot put it in my coffee or my milkshakes or anything like that we make. So I use it for smoothies and I use it for cooking when our recipes call for protein powder. Also, it's a pea protein powder. Yeah, plant-based. We're going to put in 1/2 cup of this. Mix this up. Got our melted coconut oil. We've got our cottage cheese, maple syrup, and vanilla that we just mixed up. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. Things that I've learned. Try not to use your oven in the middle of the day because it'll make it 250 degrees hotter. Actually, I have a solar oven that I found at an estate sale like 10 years ago. I'm going to try to use that this year. Dishwasher, run in the evenings, dryer. Y'all see me hang clothes on the line all the time. I'm a huge advocate for hanging clothes on the line. That's what my mama did. That's how I was raised. A lot of nostalgia there, but I firmly believe in it because the dryer not only pulls so much energy, but heats your whole house up. Try to do a load of laundry right before bed in the washing machine, and then when I wake up first thing in the morning, I'll hang it on the line. Usually by the afternoon, if I need to get caught up, then I'll do a second load in the middle of the day to hang on the line midday and take the ones from the morning down. But I try to stay on top of it enough that I only have to do a load of laundry a day so that it's not overwhelming. Now, as far as folding those and putting them away, that's a different story. All right, we're gonna get all this mixed up. All right, we're just gonna mix it up really good. We're gonna fold in some chocolate chips. So these are, I'm not trying to pronounce this right, but it's Pasca brand. Anyways, I got these from Publix. It's hard to find chocolate that doesn't have soy in it. We're a huge advocate for soy-free. I love chocolate, and so we have it on hand occasionally. And so I'm always looking at the ingredients, and this one does not have soy in it. You can find that soy in all kinds of chocolate. So I recommend this. If you've got others that you recommend that doesn't have soy in it, let me know. I'll fold those down. I'm gonna use the rest. All right, so here's my pan. I love these silicone mats. I ran out of parchment paper, and so I used this for the first time in a long time the other day, and it did great. Our oven's preheated, so all I'm gonna do is drop these like regular cookies. All right, here we go in with them. About 15 minutes. Staying in here.